Hi, today we're gonna make a rustic looking bench using very few tools. Alright, so now I have all the pieces cut. This will make one of the legs. This will make the other leg. This will be the top of the bench. This will be the brace across the legs that will support it to make it more steady. So now all we have to do is assemble it, sand it, and paint it. So let's go ahead and do that. You have it, a very easy to make rustic looking bench that doesn't require a lot of tools. It doesn't require a lot of time. I literally just made this in one day. And before you click out of this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you don't miss on anything, because there is great content coming up soon. God bless you guys, and I'll see you next time.